The new Nike Tech Fleece is out, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to size it and style it. So let's start off with my measurements. I'm 6'2" and extremely skinny, guys. I usually wear a size medium in absolutely everything. So therefore, I've gone and ordered a size medium in the red joggers and the red hoodie. As you guys can see here, the joggers are really nice and tight to me. Not so tight that I can't breathe, but they are a much nicer fit compared to last season. I'm really pleased with the way it fits, guys. I thought it'd be much baggier because the pictures made it out to be pretty baggy. Then we move on to the hoodie, and I don't know how I feel about the fit. So the bottom of the hoodie has seen the black line to be removed. This is what you see from every Tech Fleece for the past 10 years. But now it's gone. However, I think it really works in terms of fitting. So Nike have used this really thick and snug material instead of just having a thin entire hoodie like last season. That then broke up with the black lining. However, the new season kind of merges into the bottoms, and this thick and snug material they've used makes it stick to your body more. This is something I love, as I'm really skinny and the old Tech would sometimes stick out, but on this one, as you guys can see, sticks like a glove. It's a great addition. May not look better in my opinion, but certainly does a better job. But, there are a few things which I want you guys to know about the hoodie. The hood is massive. That's a downside. I preferred the previous season's tight, snug hood, and I'm sure after a couple washes they'd be fine, but the arms are pretty baggy. Contrasts a lot to the tight fitting bottoms. Both the bottoms and the top are really great quality, so they are so comfortable, as Nike Tech Fleece always is, and I would definitely recommend you guys cop. I know there's a lot of distaste for the new season already, but my opinion has changed now I've got it in hand. It's better fitting if you ask me compared to last season. Wait, if you guys want to cop, then you're going to know what size you want to get. If you're 5'4" to 5'8", then I'd go for an extra small in both the joggers and the hoodie. 5'9" to 6 foot, then I get a size small. 6'1" to 6'3", I'd get a medium. 6'4" to 6'8", then definitely get a large. However, guys, it does matter how big you are or small you are in terms of weight. If you're a bit bigger than the average build, then take what I've just said about the sizing and size up. So if you're 6'3" and a bit bigger than the average size, then go for a size large instead of the medium. You really don't want the Nike Tech to be too tight, as you don't want to damage the look that you're trying to go for. Also, maybe if you guys want to experiment, that hoodie does look a little bit big on me. So maybe if you get a medium in the bottoms, then maybe go for a small on the top. I'm honestly sure that the arms will get a little bit smaller in the wash and it will look perfectly fine. But if you want this look straight out the bat, then maybe go for a size down on the hoodie and then keep your normal size joggers. Now, how to style it. I've obviously got a red Tech on here. I could see myself wearing black or white Air Force Ones with this outfit. I'd probably sway more towards wearing a black pair of Air Forces just because the Nike logo is black and the secondary color of this tracksuit is black. That's one of the ways to pull off a clean look with this Nike Tech, guys. Like if you have matching color shoes. Or I could see myself going out there and buying some black and red Nike shoes. Maybe the Jordan 4 Red Thunders would go well with this fit. But also maybe having loads of red on your shoes might be a bit overboard in terms of color. Just try and match the color of your Tech to the color of your shoes. Or you could look at the shoes that you already own and buy a Tech Fleece which is similar color to those shoes. Saves a little bit of money because you're already spending loads on the Tech. Or go out there and buy some fresh new ones. Watch this video now. It covers my opinions on the new Nike Tech Fleece.